guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're well. So this spicy salmon marinade is going to add a lot of spice, a lot of flavor and a lot of zing to your salmon or whatever fish you are using. So if you are a fish lover and you like spice like me, then this spicy marinade is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So I am using 1 onion, 1 bulb of garlic, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger and juice of 2 lemons. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of crushed chilies, 2 tablespoons of freshly ground cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of red chili, half a teaspoon of salt because fish is already salty, so I'm only going to use half a teaspoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander. Now I give it a good mix in my grinder and you can see this is looking so nice and smooth. So here is my whole salmon. I'm going to descale it because that's what we do. If you don't want to take the scales off, it's totally up to you, your choice, but I always do that. I have washed it now and I am going to dry it with a tissue paper. I cut the fins off with a scissor. You can use any fish and any size of fish for this marinade. You can use cutlets or fish fingers, or you can have a bone-on fillet or a whole fish. It's up to you. And I make big cuts in it all over the fish. So this is a really big fish and it will have at least 7 to 10 cuts on each side. Now I'm going to turn it and make more cuts on the other side. And rub the mixture very nicely inside the cuts all over the fish so that it can soak up all the flavors. And then I keep it in the fridge for at least 5 hours so that the flavors can penetrate inside the flesh. But if you don't have that much time, it's totally up to you. Keep it for 20 minutes, half an hour. But because I have enough time today, so I'm going to keep it in the fridge for 5 hours. And don't forget to marinate from the inside of the fish as well because it needs flavor all over it. And don't be shy to use your hands. So here you can see it is covered nicely and time to go in the fridge. This is how it looks after 5 hours of marinating, and this is how it looks after 40 minutes of baking at 180 degrees Celsius. This looks so amazing and so tempting. I can't wait to taste it. So tell me, which country are you watching me from? And which language do you speak? Do you like fish? If yes, what is your favorite fish recipe? Please let me know in the comments below and I will try to make a video of that. And I would encourage you to make it, to try this recipe and wow your family and your friends, your guests with it. They will surely be licking their fingers. It is so tangy, so zingy, so spicy, so full of flavor. It is tantalizing my taste buds. It is super yummy, super yummy. So this is all from me for today, and I hope you have a good week. I will see you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for my future videos. Until next time, God bless you. Bye bye.